Hi friends, welcome to WP Themes channel, a channel dedicated to WordPress themes, plugins and utilities. And in this video we are going to install a very rare category WordPress theme. This theme is Butcher, and Butcher is specifically made for meat shop WooCommerce WordPress theme. However, Butcher has got organic demo as well, but it has been focused on the meat shop. The Butcher was developed by the Apus theme, and Apus theme are our elite authors only, and the theme was developed in 2016, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. Since the theme is based on the niche category and it is specifically made, it is going to be a wonderful choice if you are here to make a website for meat shop, and that is of course with e-commerce facility. This is going to be a very good choice for you, and we can see the demos as well. This is the first demo, second demo, 3 demos are available in this theme, and this is organic demo. This theme is to the point, and since made for directly a certain category, it has all the feature and facility according to that only. And this is of course a rare category WordPress theme, so this is unique in itself. And this is the second layout of Butcher WordPress theme, and this is organic one. So organic layout is also available. So let us begin the installation of Butcher WordPress theme. I have a fresh installation of WordPress with the latest version of WP, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I got guides, licensing samples, the Butcher main theme file and the giant theme file. Begin the installation. Go to the themes of WordPress. I assume you have already installed the WordPress. Add new, upload theme, choose file. Here you need to choose Butcher theme.zip, and if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same directly on web hosting. Both are same activity. Either you can upload the theme through WordPress panel or directly at server. I am uploading on server to save some time, and the theme size is 29.85 MB in size, so it is a moderate size of theme and it will work fast. Of course, once it gets uploaded, we need to extract the zip file. And the extraction outcome is this Butcher folder, in which we got all the theme components, files and folders are here. Now we can delete the zip one, it is just consuming the server space. Go to the WordPress theme section again, and now we have Butcher as another theme option. Let us check the details. This is Butcher version 2.22. Butcher is a clean theme. It is used for Apus. It is used Apus framework. Okay, fine. So we can activate it now. And upon activation, we got an alert to install necessary plugins at this stage. So we will install the plugins first. These are the list of plugins required. All are required. So we have to install all of these. I'm installing all plugins in one go. If you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugins one by one to avoid errors. And if you are going to get the hosting plan with WP themes along with the theme pack, I'm going to give you the same capacity server. It works very well and available at very reasonable cost. Activate all the plugins. All plugins has been installed and activated. Just refresh the page. It may require a WooCommerce basic setup, and somehow if you got on this page, just delete this portion, and it needs a further login. I'll just log in. I logged in again, and we can check our website how it looks with the theme and plugins. This is the basic look of Butcher WordPress theme without any demo content, and of course at this stage we need to install some demo content to get the installation process complete. And I am just locating the demo content option. The demo import option is available in the left panel tools section, and under tools there is a option called Apps demo import, and this is the demo import option. You can choose any to import, and meat soap 1 and 2 can be imported. Organic soap and food soap is here. So since meat soap is the main layout, I am importing the meat soap 1 and 2. Click here to import demo data. OK. So now demo import is going on, and it may take up to 10 minutes as it is written here, because it is going to import the media files, folders and necessary set of files as well. So just be on this page, don't leave or refresh this page. Let the process get complete, and you will reach on this screen once the import process complete and get successful. Import is successful. Now we can check the website again. Yes, so website is complete and it got uploaded in fraction of seconds. It has all the features active in it, and some, let us check the main menu to compare. Menu is missing, and some components you need to set at your own to replace the demo data. I'll show you how to do that. And I'll first set the menu and check the home pages and rest of pages. So these are the pages what we got in the demo, and the theme has 19 pages in the demo. And the media file, I'll show you media library as well. In the media library there are some images, so we need to put our own images for rest of things. Now since the demo import process has been completed, we can check the theme options what we got in the WordPress panel. It is a footers, mega menu, these two are additional, and the king composer, it is composer general setting, and the theme options. I'll show you the theme options. These are the theme options: general setting, header, footer, blog, WooCommerce, style, social media, custom CSS, import export. So these are few theme options available in the theme panel. And now we can check how to edit any page, and I'm just editing the home page. So King Composer is available to edit the page. And this is the King Composer layout, and editing is simple, so no need to have any technical knowledge. You can just click on the section whatever you want to edit and just put your own content and hit on save. It will be saved, and you can even add or remove sections, and drag and drop works fine, as you can see. And even you want to delete some section, you can use this delete option, and you can edit or add any option. So everything is available. You can customize your website as per your requirement. However, you can use the demo website as well. So we can conclude in this video, we have successfully installed the Butcher WordPress theme and seen the theme option and customization options as well. And I just forget to set the menu. I'll simply show how to set the menu. However, I believe you know this, but just to complete the process, I'll show you the menu. Primary menu is main menu, so it should be there. Again, I need to check the main menu contents. So there is no item in menu. This is why it is not being reflected. So we can add some just to see the feature. And now menu should be here. Yes, so it is simple. So you can add the menu items here from that panel. And in this video we have completed the installation of Butcher WordPress theme. And if you have any question regarding this theme, you can definitely get in touch with me. I'm giving the link of this theme demos and where you can get this theme at WP Themes website, and you can get in touch with me there as well. And you can also write in the comments of this video. I definitely try to help you as you need, and I assume you have subscribed this channel, and if not, please ring the bell and subscribe the channel. I'm going to bring some wonderful themes, plugin and utilities for you. Thank you very much.